Bitcoin Wisdom displays 3 cryptocurrencies that are traded in 10 different exchanges. Here's a simple process for learning to read the charts on the Bitfinex exchange. Bitfinex Charts use technical indicators to tell you where the price of Bitcoin has been because no one knows where it's going. We'll use the Bitfinex exchange in this lesson. The default chart has 3 clues: price, the most important clue, volume to be read with price, and the relative strength indicator, an oscillator indicating oversold and overbought conditions. Draw a trend line to connect the open to the close and name that trend line bullish if the close is higher than the open, doji, a Japanese word meaning indecision, if the close equals the open, and bearish if the close is lower than the open. Observe the last price and volume for trends, the most important trends on the chart. Traders use different moving averages as price and benchmark targets. You'll become familiar with these. Bollinger Bands are moving averages above and below price that reveal volatility. The center line reveals the tenor. Bullish if price is above, bearish if price is below, overbought and oversold conditions when price touches the upper and the lower bands. Very popular indicator. The parabolic stop and reversal algorithm is used to calculate stops based on where price has been. It's called the parabolic star. Chart sentiment reveals tenor and price potential. Let me explain. First, draw a trend line, your choice of color, for the chart open. One for the high, the low, and the close. Connect the high and the low for a line called a wick. Connect the open and the close with a box, a rectangle called a body. Color that box green when the open is above, when the open is below the close, red when the open is above the close. Use a line, no color, when the open equals the close. It's a doji. If the open equals the high, it's a dragonfly doji. And if the open equals the low, it's a tombstone doji. Learn about the technical indicators and the candlesticks from a good source of your choice, so that when you learn to read charts on your own, you can listen to the talking heads and have a better understanding. I use stockcharts.com, a free website with excellent content, but there are many sites on the web that you can use. Remember this: any task measured can be improved, and practice does not make perfect. Practicing the right thing does. Thank you